I'm here with a pretty cool toy. This is the ColMount. So my dad actually developed this product. I wanted to take a drone with me on the Hiawatha Trail, and I didn't want to pull out the controller all the time or whatever. I was gonna have it follow me around. This is the best way to put a drone controller on a handlebar. Let me show you how it goes on.
The coolest thing about the ColMount is that it's really strong. It attaches into the bottom where you put the control sticks for the controller, and then it also screws into the base. So this thing is not going anywhere, and no matter how hard you bounce it, it really stays put. It's also got a 1/4-inch adapter in the bottom in the center, so that you can screw in any kind of adapter that you want. But he sells a neat kit that has this clamp attachment. So it comes with a couple of rubber things that you can remove based on the diameter of your handlebar, and then you wrap the clamp around it and screw it down. It also has a ball and joint, so once you loosen it up, you can make any final adjustments from there.
So now it's super easy to just set up the drone. You know, I can launch it real quick and I can just start riding, and I can just trust the drone to follow me because the controller's right there on the handlebar. So it takes out a lot of the work of pulling out a controller and setting it up and flying it somewhere, and then putting the controller away, and then the drone will just follow me, and I can just continue to ride and ride and ride. Should be really great.
Now when I want to make a drone shot, I just pull off to the side and pull out the drone, flip out the little legs, and power it up. Now personally, I like to just take off from my hand and I'll catch it at the end. It really works great.